Here's something most people don't think about when buying a washing machine. You're not just spending 35,000 rupees today, you're making a 10-year commitment. This machine will wash your clothes 300 plus times every year. That's 3,000 plus washes over 10 years. So the question isn't just which machine is cheapest or which has most features. The real question is which machine will actually work best for your family, your clothes, your water type for the next decade. So I tested 4 of the most popular machines for months. Samsung, LG, Bosch, IFB. Actual washing, stain removal test, drying time, noise levels, everything. And here is the actual truth about all these machines. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to Clearbuy. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances, TVs, soundbars, washing machines, air conditioners to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. Now before we start, these brands are available in almost all capacities. 7 kgs, 8 kgs, 9 kgs, even 12 kgs. So whether you are buying an 8 kg or a 9 kg model, this video will help you make the right decision. Alright, before we get into specific brands, let me quickly tell you what actually matters when buying a front load. First, capacity and family size. This is most important thing. Get this wrong and nothing else matters. 6 to 7 kgs perfect for 2 to 3 people. 8 to 9 kgs ideal for 4 to 5 people. 10 to 12 kg large families 6 plus people. If you buy a 9 kg machine for just 2 people, you will run half loads most of the time. That wastes water, electricity and reduces wash quality. Match the capacity to your actual family size. Second is RPM matters for drying. RPM is how fast the drum spins during the final spin cycle. Higher RPM means clothes come out drier. 1200 RPM, clothes come out about 80 to 85% dry. 1400 RPM, clothes come out about 90 to 95% dry. That difference matters during monsoons. With 1400 RPM, clothes dry in 4 to 5 hours indoors. With 1200 RPM, you might need 6 to 8 hours. Third is energy and water efficiency. All these machines are 5-star rated. But even with 5-star, there are differences. Check the BEE label for power consumption and water consumption per kg per cycle. These differences add up over 10 years. We are talking thousands of rupees in savings. Okay, now let me show you the 4 machines I tested. First is Samsung AI Ecobubble 9 kg model. Currently around 38,000 to 41,000 rupees. Samsung's main feature is AI Ecobubble. It converts detergent into bubbles before washing starts. These bubbles penetrate fabric better, so you get deeper cleaning even in cold water. This has a 1400 RPM motor, so drying is excellent. It's compact and has this premium metal finish design that looks really good. And it comes with Wi-Fi connectivity. You can control and monitor through the SmartThings app. It has 14 wash programs including super speed mode. My testing results: quick wash displayed 15 minutes. Actual is 21 minutes 29 seconds. Super speed displayed 39 minutes. Actual is 38 minutes 26 seconds. Actually faster. Wash quality was good for everyday clothes. Quick wash gave me 80%. Super speed gave me 90%. Now oil stain removal. Quick wash removed about 50%. Super speed removed about 70%. That's decent. But when I compared it to IFB and Bosch, those handle oil stain noticeably better. Mud stains, these come out really well. About 80% in quick wash, 90% in super speed. Noise was 64 dB during spin cycle. Simple conclusion. Pros: fastest wash time, excellent drying at 90% with 1400 RPM, compact and premium design, Wi-Fi and SmartThings app support, highest 20-year motor warranty. Cons: oil stain removal decent but not the strongest. Slightly higher noise at 64 dB. Best for busy household who value speed and maximum drying. Second is LG AI Direct Drive 9 kg model. Currently around 35,990 to 39,990 rupees. LG's main feature is direct drive. The motor connects directly to the drum. No belt in between. Why does that matter? Less vibration, less noise, less power consumption. Fewer mechanical parts means longer life. LG gives 10-year warranty on the motor because of this. This has a 1200 RPM motor and LG is the most compact. Depth is just 47.5 centimeters compared to Samsung's 55 centimeter. If space is tight, this matters. It comes with Wi-Fi and you can control it through the LG ThinQ app. It has 14 wash programs. My testing results, quick wash displayed 30 minutes, actually it's 38 minutes. Daily wash displayed 1 hour 7 minutes, actually it's 1 hour 20 minutes, longer than Samsung. But wash quality felt about 5% better, cleaner overall. Drying, quick wash gave 75 to 80%, daily wash gave me 85%, good for 1200 RPM. Now oil stain removal, quick wash removed about 70%. Daily wash removed about 90%, better than Samsung, but IFB and Bosch were still ahead. Mud stains came out excellently, 85% in quick wash, 90% in daily wash. This is the quietest machine, 62 dB max. Water consumption is also lowest, 7.4 litre per kg compared to 8 to 9 litre for others. Simple conclusion. Pros: quietest operation at 62 dB, most compact size at 47.5 cm depth, lowest water consumption, better wash quality than Samsung, Wi-Fi and LG ThinQ app support, excellent long-term reliability. Cons: slower wash times, lower drying at 85% versus 1400 RPM models. Best for people who want quiet operation, compact size and long-term durability. Third is Bosch Series 2 8 kg model, currently around 34,890 rupees to 36,551 rupees. Bosch has multiple series 2, 4, 6 and 8. I tested Series 2, the budget option. Bosch uses Vario inverter technology with Eco Silence drive, better than old belt driven systems. But here is what impressed me: anti-tangle and anti-wrinkle modes. When you enable this, clothes come out with way fewer wrinkles and tangles. I noticed this immediately. This has a 1400 RPM motor, 15 wash programs, one more than Samsung and LG. Important note, this is non-smart, no Wi-Fi, no app connectivity, just physical controls. My testing results, speed perfect mode is enabled by default, makes washing faster without compromising quality. Quick wash displayed 15 minutes, actually is 27 minutes 37 seconds. Daily wash displayed 45 minutes, actually is 48 minutes 33 seconds. Wash quality is excellent, actually the best overall. Drying, quick wash gave 85 to 90%, daily wash gave 90 to 95%, excellent drying at 1400 RPM. Now oil stain removal. This is where Bosch really stood out. Quick wash removed about 90% of oil stains. Daily wash removed about 95%. That's genuinely impressive. Way better than Samsung and LG. Mud stains, quick wash removed 90%. Daily wash completely removed them. Clothes come out with minimal wrinkles, minimal tangles. Just better overall fabric care. Noise is 66 dB, higher than Samsung and LG. Simple conclusion. Pros: best wash quality overall, excellent oil stain removal, best in this group, 1400 RPM for maximum drying, minimal wrinkles with anti-wrinkle mode, superior fabric care. Cons: higher noise at 66 dB, no Wi-Fi or app support. Best for people who want the absolute best cleaning and fabric care, especially for kids' muddy and oily clothes. And the final machine is IFB, currently around 36,900 to 37,990 rupees. Now IFB has different models, 8 kg and 9 kg. The 8 kg model has a 1200 RPM motor and the 9 kg model has a 1400 RPM motor. So make sure you check which capacity you are buying because the RPM differs. IFB has two unique features. First, Aqua Energie, IFB's patented technology. If you have hard water or salt water, this softens it before washing, prevents clothes from fading and prevents scale buildup inside the machine. Second is Steam Refresh 30. Uses just steam, no water, no detergent. Takes 30 minutes and makes old clothes fresh again. It comes with Wi-Fi and the My IFB app. 10 wash programs through the panel, but you can access more through the app. One thing, this is slightly bulkier than the others, not as compact as LG or Samsung. My testing results, I tested the 9 kg model with the 1400 RPM motor. Quick wash displayed 15 minutes, actually is 32 minutes 17 seconds. Daily wash displayed 1 hour, actually is 1 hour 32 minutes. Slowest of the 4 machines, but wash quality was good. Drying, quick wash gave about 80%. Daily wash gave 85 to 90%, similar to other 1400 RPM machines. Now, oil stain removal. This is where IFB really impressed me. Quick wash removed about 90% of oil stains. Daily wash completely removed oil stains. Best oil stain removal in the entire group. Even better than Bosch. Mud stains, quick wash removed about 90%. Daily wash completely removed them. Noise is highest at 68 dB. You'll definitely hear it running. Simple conclusion. Pros. Best oil stain removal beats everyone. Aqua Energie for hard water areas. Steam refresh feature. Wi-Fi and My IFB app support. 4-year product warranty, the longest. 1400 RPM in 9 kg model. Cons. Slowest wash times. Highest noise at 68 dB. Slightly bulkier design. 8 kg has only 1200 RPM. Check before buying. Best for hard water areas, family with kids who need excellent stain removal, people who want to refresh old clothes. Quick word on warranty. Samsung 20 years on motor, 2 years on product, longest motor warranty. LG 10 years on motor, 2 years on the product. Bosch 10 years on motor, 2 years on the product. IFB 10 years on the motor, 4 years on the product plus 10 years spare parts availability. All 4 have excellent service in cities. But if you are in a smaller towns, check service availability in your area before buying. Alright, so after all this testing, here is what I would recommend. If you want the fastest machine with great drying, Samsung AI Ecobubble. Fastest cycles, excellent 90% drying with 1400 RPM, compact design, 20-year motor warranty, Wi-Fi app support. Perfect for busy households. If you want quiet operation and low water consumption, LG AI Direct Drive, quietest at 62 dB, most compact at 47.5 cm depth, lowest water use, excellent long-term reliability, Wi-Fi app support. If you want the absolute best cleaning, especially for oil stains, Bosch Series 2. Best overall wash quality, excellent oil stain removal, superior fabric care with anti-wrinkle mode, no app connectivity, but the cleaning is genuinely the best. If you have hard water or need the best stain removal, IFB best oil stain removal overall, Aqua Energie for hard water, steam refresh feature, Wi-Fi app support. Just remember, 8 kg has 1200 RPM, 9 kg has 1400 RPM. Check which one you are buying. There is no bad choice here. All 4 are good machines. Just watch your priority to what each machine does best. So this is all about the front load washing machines. If this video helped you even a little, a like and your 1 subscribe really keeps me motivated to test and share more honest reviews every day. If you are planning to buy one, I share the product links in the description. It supports the channel and costs you nothing extra. And if you have any doubts or questions, drop a comment. I read every single one. Thank you for being here. I am Pooja from Clearbuy and I'll see you in the next one.